Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your iPhone 15 has the latest iOS because features change with updates. Once done, enable lock screen widgets and Good Morning View in Settings so Standby shows useful info. Next, plug the phone into power and lay it on its side. Standby activates when charging and landscape orientation is detected. Make sure auto lock is set to a longer interval so the display stays active. This gets the device ready and prevents interruptions. Now customize what appears in Standby. You can tap the bottom to pick Clock, Photos, or a rich smart stack. Choose Clock for utility or Photos for a visual display. Once selected, add widgets like Weather, Calendar, or Home controls by tapping Edit. These show quick info at a glance. Also make sure Do Not Disturb and Focus modes allow notifications you need, otherwise alerts won't surface. This tailoring keeps the screen useful without overwhelming you. To use Standby, place the iPhone on its side and glance at the large display. Swipe or tap to reveal controls, media, and notifications. When finished, rotate back to Portrait or pick up the device to return to the standard lock screen. If Standby doesn't activate, make sure the USB connection supplies power and the phone is aligned horizontally. Try a different cable or charger. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and recheck Standby settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.